Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC here with another awesome giveaway for the month of December. All right, we are back with another awesome giveaway for December. For this month, one lucky winner is gonna take home 6 different items, and I've got them all laid out right here on this dirt bike. So for one lucky winner, they're gonna take home a pair of Rocky Mountain sunglasses, a pair of underwear from Ethica, 3 items from 100%. We've got their Bolt socks, the Essentials beanie, and their Cognito gloves. I like these because they have D3O armor over top the knuckles. And to finish all off, we have a factory hat coming from Yamaha. Now you're probably wondering what you got to do to win. It's real simple. You just got to be subscribed to our YouTube channel and then comment below. Let us know what you love so much about the items up here that we're giving away and why you want to take these home. And after that, you're going to be automatically entered to win. A couple things to keep in mind. This contest will run from December 7th through the 14th. You got to be 18 years or older. So make sure check back after the 14th to see if you are the one lucky winner. Now, from all of us here at Rocky Mountain, we want to say thank you so much to everyone out there that supports us, that helps us out on our YouTube channel. That is why we do these monthly giveaways. So make sure, share this with your friends, let them know we're always doing giveaways every month, and they have an awesome chance to win some awesome prizes. I am Chase at Rocky Mountain. Good luck.